I guess this is it now. Dr. Harry Herman and his so-called selflessness, always trying to do the right thing. How many times have we talked about this? About your overwhelming urge to always do what you think is right, no matter who gets hurt. Well, I guess now you'll finally face the consequences. You failed, Harry. Failed both of us. You've ruined everything. We were so close to this. We were about to break the goddamn principle. But you don't even care, do you? You just don't.
Hey, Doc. Finally. What took you so long? Good to see you in one piece. For a moment, we thought this fucker Powell had caught you. Or worse. So, this isn't our guy? Alright then. Sorry, pal. Come on, Doc. We gotta move on. We'll escort you safely out of this place, as we agreed earlier. Doc. What's wrong? Shit! What's happening? Doctor...
Well. Harry, you're harder to kill than a cockroach. Right, just give me a second. Let me think it over. And for fuck's sake, just stand still and do nothing. You've already done a lot. Shit, the lockdown wasn't enough. Harry, they're coming for you. We must act quickly. Do as I say, and maybe you'll stay alive a bit longer. Right, where was I? Get in here, quick. This is a security station. You can unlock your way into the technology archive from here. I'll try to keep these fucks away from us for a little longer. Look, there's a device here in the archive. Go there, quick. So much shot. Look for the door labeled 101. It seems that the control terminal for that device is on the other side. Oh well, you can figure it out, can you?
Doc, you know you're there. Come on, Doc. Don't make it worse.
Right. Now we need to
Dr. Herman.
can read,
Dr.
right?
Herman. Don't make us come here by ourselves, Herman. Open the door now. Right, fucker. You had it coming. Guys, bust the fucking door.
Yeah, we get it. Just shut up already. Harry, listen. We don't have much time. We need to fix the mess you've... Fuck, they're here. Harry, quickly, through the teleport. Move, Harry, move!
heavens! There is somebody there. Oh, thank God. So, wait, Harry? Harry, is that really you? Harry, your readings are very strange. How's your memory? If you don't remember, I'm Eugene. We've worked together, on and off, here at Delta for a good few years now. You're in Facility 51, the forest dimension, as we call it. Let's try to get you out of there. Oh, damn. Oh, just in time. Oh, good. Perfect. Fields are off. Oh, you did it. Well done. Wait, what is that? What have you found? The applet reads it as a phased optical trans... Wait! Wait. Oh, wow, that door, that's not meant to do that, I'm pretty sure. Harry, I told you... Alright, something very strange is going on. It's already killed everyone else here. You need to get out. There's a gateway back to Earth in the lower labs. But first we'll need to access Director Sutherland's terminal. that was weird. I just saw some very strange readings for a moment. Oh, this door isn't locked. Maybe try going through here. Good grief, I thought my room was small. So maybe there's another way out? Did you just destroy that personal relaxation vista screen? Oh, they're not cheap, you know. Those access tubes are shielded. I can't follow you up there. The door closed. Hold on. The system says access restricted. That worked. Not a great testament to Delta Lab security, though. There's some sort of powerful... This is David's office and quarters. Check his terminal. Okay, good. My authorization is still valid. When they took David away, I was given his access, you see. I was just meant to keep an eye on the place. Well, I didn't expect any of this. I still can't get access to the corridors connecting to the lab. Looks like you'll have to take the vents again. You can probably melt the glass ceiling, like how you melted that expensive... right. Good luck, Harry. I'll see you on the... It had some sort of humanoid form, but it brought a colossal wave of quantum energy. It nearly blew out my terminal. Now I'm not even in the same dimension as you. You need to get back to Earth as quickly as possible. It knocked out main power. control office and see what the status is. Oh dear. There's quantum interference everywhere down here. I won't be able to communicate with you much. Our best bet is the reactor chamber. It's shielded by quantum stabilizers. Large orange coils. They'll suppress the anomalies, I think. Oh, also, be careful in the labs. I don't know exactly what was going on down here, but the rumors are that the Forest Lab is hosting some really creepy stuff. Well, there she is. The Delta Labs Crystal Fusion Reactor. 16 gigawatts of clean, sustainable energy. And your brainchild, Dr. Herman. Although obviously you don't remember it at the moment. And also only a trickle of watts right now. She's almost completely cold. Maybe, try the restart process. Maybe we'll get lucky. But it isn't charged. You'll have to charge them before we can use them. Luckily, these bad boys aren't too picky. Any kind of ionizing radiation source will do. Going, Harry. It's good to see you can cope without me. I can barely track you outside this room. Yet I'm also reading an incredibly intense heat source not far away. That section is almost completely bone dry due to the heat. Perfect! Oh, well done, Harry. I got a bit worried there for a while. There are some very strange readings moving about out there, you know. Right, anyway, that's the coolant system back online. So, give her another shot, eh? Hit the button. Man, this is so dangerous. Working on an exposed reactor with no protective equipment. I hope that G-fuel is working properly, otherwise you'll be cooked alive in seconds. What? Oh my gosh, countdown. How terribly macabre. Very well done, Harry, my lad. Right, that's the rift level fully powered back up, and the quantum background stabilizers with it. You can unlock the security door from the control office now. Be warned, though, we have no idea what state the lab might be in. Losing power like that will probably reset a lot of systems. There you are, the door's open and the stabilizers are online, no problem. Oh, what on earth? corridor leading to another wing of the facility. Just go straight down. Oh, shit. What in the world happened in here? It looks like something exploded, or the ceiling caved in, or... There's no chance that door will open, is there? Oh, again? You know, I swear someone's messing with my radio.